How can we find x from that equations? Well, 8 power x plus x is equal to 24. 8 power 3x is equal to 24. Taking log both sides, we can write log 8 power 3x is equal to log 24. 3x log 8 is equal to log 8 times 3. 3x log 8 is equal to log 8 plus log 3. That is log formula. Okay, dividing by log 8 both sides, we can write 3x by log 8 is equal to log 8 plus log 3 by log 8. Here log 8 cancel. So we can write 3x is equal to log 8 by log 8 plus log 3 by log 8. Log 8 cancel. So we can write